Sorry about this background noise, okay? There's a lot of traffic here. It's a Sunday. Well, hello and welcome back to my channel Inspo Vibes with SK. Last weekend I had a beautiful, refreshing trip to the pink city of India, Jaipur. And today's video is about one beautiful experience that I had there. Okay, so one of the places that we visited was this beautiful temple dedicated to Mirabai. As I sat there in that historic place, I just could slowly start to visualize the scene when this temple was being constructed. Now imagine thousands of workers would have spent so many years trying to build this temple. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं ना उसी सीन में घुस गई हूँ और मुझे वो लेबरर्स काम करते हुए दिखने लगे और उनकी आवाज़ें मेरे कानों में सुनाई देने लगी और मुझे लगा मैं ट्रांसपोर्ट होके उस समय में पहुँच गई हूँ. So many of them would have only been carrying these stones, uncut stones, down below to this hilltop. So many of them would just have been chiseling these into beautiful horses, elephants, flowers and whatnot. So many of them would have been only setting these one row above the other to raise it into the beautiful temple that we see today. For years and years they would have done. Now each one of them must have had a family too, right? And we don't know how many of them went back to their families, how many of them died trying to build this temple. But then each one had a very small role to play, but an important role in the overall success of creating this archaeological marvel, this temple. So imagine if all of them had just started to think, ki, is my name going to be mentioned here? Am I going to be famous because of this? Hey, if I'm not going to be famous, if I'm not going to be recognized, I'm not going to do this. So I want to be the big boss who calls the shots. They didn't think like that. All they thought of, ये मेरा काम है, मुझे ये काम करना है, इस काम के मुझे पैसे मिलते हैं. Each one of them did their piece. The one who knew how to carve only dedicated to carving and chiseling these uncut stones into beautiful pieces of beauty, maybe flowers, maybe animals, whatever. Somebody who was good at masonry only kept on laying the rows of stones one over the other. Each one did what they did best. And that's how we have this marvel today. So even Peter Drucker, the management guru, in one of his books had said this: focus on what you do best and build on that strength, you will be a success. Therefore, all of them just you do you is the principle they followed. They did what they knew best. And they didn't think of, why is that guy doing better than me? Let me learn that and let me get on to that because that will make me more famous. No. If all of them had thought of that, probably this temple wouldn't exist. So my friends, this small story, this experience and this vision that I had there taught me and reaffirmed this management lesson that I had learned so many years ago is you do you because that's what you're best at. And remember, all of us are those small dots in this large picture called the universe. If each one of us does what we do best, this whole universe is in one master symphony, right? So let's just do what we do best. Let's focus on our strength and create this symphony called the universe. Now you take care. If you like this video, don't forget to hit on the like button. Click the bell icon if somewhere you have not subscribed to my channel and these thoughts resonate with you. Type in your comments and let me know if you have any other thoughts relating to this, and keep watching You take care and be safe. Till we meet again next week with yet another video. This is SK signing off. Adios and bye bye.